This is what it looks like at night, guys. It is, I don't know what time it is. It is, I don't know. I don't know what time it is, but that's what it looks like from here to there. Yeah, we're just gonna walk the beach. Me and my husband just gonna walk the beach all the way down. Yeah, let's just go where I can closer to, you know. Yeah. But anyway, this is the beach. Walk the beach. This is the night. Friday evening, beautiful weather. See, I want you to see. Yeah, people are still out here. What's that? Yeah. My boat is out. The boats are parked. Did that boat ride today to the island, so that was fun. Come on, babe. Let's just walk up. I don't want to be disturbed. You know? So. Oh, nice exercise. Yeah. Moving on down the line. Can't complain. So it got to be maybe 70 watts. 70 watts, 75.
What?
Weather-wise, what?
Right now?
Yeah, what is it you think?
Might be 70 some, but there's a lot of breeze.
A lot of breeze, yeah. We got a beautiful ocean breeze. But it's nice though. I mean, look at it. This is lit up down there. But down there, everything is lit up. Over here is lit up. You know, just a nice, beautiful Friday evening. Yep. Ooh, this trip has been wonderful. Ooh, nice. Nice to breathe extra. Nice to relax, eat good food, hang out with people, you know, hang out with your husband. That's mine, my husband. Just a nice time in Africa. Can't get enough of it. I really can't get enough of it, guys. I keep talking about it. So, see these places here? Look at along the beach. They are beautiful in person. They are in the ocean. Indian Ocean. Beautiful. Perfect. So anyway, just got on here real quick to talk something, say something. I'm blessed and thankful. That part.